ready to build a hotel management system that'll impress even the savviest tech investors. First, you find your project scope. What core functionalities will your system include? Think about reservation management, guest check-in, check-out, room service orders, housekeeping schedules, and billing. Be specific. Next, plan the key features. Let's take reservation management as an example. Detail how users will search for available rooms, select room types, specify dates, and make bookings. Think about different user roles, guests, staff, admins, and their access levels. Now, map out your database design. Identify the essential entities: guests, rooms, reservations, employees, and services, and how they relate to each other. This will determine your data structure and relationships. Select your technology stack. Choose programming languages, frameworks, and databases that align with your project requirements and team skills. Consider scalability and maintainability. Then, choose your system architecture. Will it be a desktop application, a web application, or a mobile app? Factor in accessibility, deployment options, and user preferences. Finally, create a detailed project plan. Break down the project into smaller tasks, assign resources, and establish timelines. Regular progress tracking and communication are crucial for success, and that's how you create the outline for a top-notch hotel management system project.